Inventory management and handling of the stores department is a very critical task in the pharmaceutical industry. I welcome all the viewers to this short video on inventory methods, inventory management methods in the pharmaceutical industry. So in pharma industry, not only the quality, not only the compliance, but the management systems also matters. And inventory management is the technique or is the method which is directly related to the quality, which is directly related to the compliance, management, business, and also it affects the output of the pharmaceutical industry. So let's start to understand about the inventory management and inventory issuing methods in the pharmaceutical industry, specifically in the pharmaceutical manufacturing. The inventory management system is related to cost, quality, and compliance. That's why in pharma, inventory issuing impacts the GMP compliance, batch traceability, product quality, and the patient safety. And the regulatory authorities like US FDA, EMA, WHO, and other country specific authorities expect that the inventory management should be controlled and having the documented system. You might have heard regarding FIFO system. So FIFO is first in, first out. You are receiving the material in the stores and you are giving it to the production department for manufacturing. So first you receive and first you give it to the departments. That may be the QC department, that may be the production department, engineering department, and any other department which is the user. FIFO system is first in, first out. The logic behind the FIFO system is oldest lot is issued first. For example, you have received 100 kg of the lactose monohydrate. Out of these total quantity, you have the 4 lots. So whichever is the oldest, that is required to be issued first. It is related to the pharma because it is suitable for the APIs, it is suitable for the excipients, packaging materials with the stable shelf life. So whatever you have received, that will be go first. Also, as I have mentioned earlier, FIFO system is first in, first out. Many of the times the expiry date is also calculated in this. Whichever is first expiring, that is given out. Also, sometimes it is only like FIFO. Whatever you have received first, it will go out at the first time. It ensures the stock rotation in the warehouse. You will not be having some of the material lying from long time and some material is moving fast. So FIFO system is first in, first out. It is different from the first expire, first out. FIFO is first in, first out. Sometimes the FIFO and first expire material is also given to the user department. Combination can be done. Example is starch, MCC or blister packs stored for the long durations. So if these are lying in the stores department from long time, as these are received at first, so oldest will be given out. Then is the LIFO, last in, first out. Similar logic for LIFO is you get the latest material and it is issued first. What is the relevance? So rarely used in pharma as it conflicts with the GMP principles because GMP is related to the FIFO and FEPO. It may cause old batches to expire in shortage and not recommended in the regulated markets. So LIFO system generally it is not followed. Then FEPO, it is first expiry, first out. It can be combined with the FIFO system. But many of the times FEPO is a standalone method, inventory method, management method used in the pharmaceutical industry. So logic is the material with nearest expiry will be issued first. Critical for the APIs, excipients, intermediates and the finished products, and it is mandated under GMP and from the regulatory guidelines by USFDA, GMP, EMA, WHO. Example is coating solutions, stabilizer excipients, vaccines and the injectable products. Then another system is HIFO system, highest in first out. So the costliest material are issued first. Sometimes in pharma it is applied for the cost control in R&D labs. High value reagents can be given at first. Rarely practical in production. GMP requires quality, then the cost priority. Then LOFO, it is lowest in first out. So cheapest material is issued first. It is not suitable in the pharma manufacturing because it doesn't depend on the cost, or it doesn't depend on the lowest in or first out method, because in production, as per the production plan, the material is requested to issue. It has a risk of non-compliance and poor stock management. So mainly two systems are there, FIFO and FIFO. Then batch-wise issue is also in the pharma industry. That is very important to understand. Materials issued strictly by the batch or lot number. It is essential for the batch manufacturing records like BMR, BPR. It ensures traceability during recalls, deviations and audits. If anything happens in the production, then as per the batch-wise issuance, it can be checked and examined. Example is packaging materials like labels, foils, cartons must be issued as per batch-wise. So now we will have a short information regarding the systems FIFO, LIFO, FEPO, HIPO and LOPO on batch-wise. So for pharmaceutical, the FIFO and FEPO system is very important and it is GMP compliance method. Other methods you can have a understanding for your knowledge. So FEPO plus batch-wise issue may be the standard practice in pharma under the GMP. FIFO is used where the shelf life is not critical. LIFO, HIPO and LOPO are not aligned with the GMP, so generally not used. Mainly the FIFO and FIFO systems are used because in the pharma industry, not only the cost but also the compliance, quality and the timelines matter. So this is the information regarding inventory management. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet soon with such kind of another informative video.